Hey everyone, welcome to the show. Today we're diving into something you've probably heard about but maybe haven't tried yet, or maybe you use it every day. Either way, we're here to break it down and show you why it's such a big deal. You've heard the buzz? Chatgpt is everywhere. From news headlines to conversations at coffee shops, it seems like everyone's talking about it. But what actually is it? It might sound like a new dance move, but it's actually a super smart AI that's read almost everything online. Imagine a computer program that's learned from millions of books, articles, and websites, so it can chat with you about almost anything. Imagine a friend who's always awake, ready to help, explain, or just chat, anytime. Whether it's midnight or early morning, ChatGPT never sleeps and is always ready to lend a hand. That's ChatGPT, your personal assistant, comedian, chef, and teacher, all in one. It can help you plan dinner, crack a joke, explain a tricky math problem, or even brainstorm ideas for your next big project. You can ask it questions, big or small, anything from, what's the capital of Peru, to, how do I write a resume? It's like having a search engine that actually talks back and explains things in a way that makes sense. Get it to write poems, make lists, or even help you draft emails and stories. If you're stuck for words, ChatGPT can help you find just the right ones, or explain tricky stuff in simple ways. Whether you're a student, a parent, or just curious, it can break down complex topics so anyone can understand. The best part? It's for everyone, not just tech geniuses. You don't need to be a computer whiz or have any special training. If you can type or talk, you can use ChatGPT. If you can use a phone or computer, you can use ChatGPT. It works on almost any device, so you can take it with you wherever you go. No secret codes, no special degrees, just curiosity. All you need is a question or an idea, and ChatGPT is ready to help. Why care in 2025? Because it's everywhere, making life easier. Stuck on homework? Need TV ideas? Want to learn a new recipe or get advice on a tricky situation? ChatGPT is there for you. Want a funny thank you note? ChatGPT's got you. It can even help you come up with creative messages for birthdays, holidays, or just to make someone smile. It's a tool to help you learn, create, and have fun. Whether you're working, studying, or just playing around, it's like having a creative partner by your side, like a superpower in your pocket. It's always ready, always helpful, and always learning new things to make your life better. Ready to dive in? Let's go! Whether you're here to learn, laugh, or just see what all the hype is about, you're in the right place. Ready to try ChatGPT? You're about to unlock a whole new world of possibilities, and it's way more fun than you might think. Whether you're curious, creative, or just want to see what all the buzz is about, you're in the right place. Let's get you set up in just a few easy steps. It's easier than folding a fitted sheet, seriously. No complicated instructions, no tech jargon, just a few clicks, and you're good to go. Grab your favorite device, laptop, tablet, or even your phone. Open your browser and type ChatGPT into the search bar. You don't need to download anything or install any apps. Look for the official OpenAI link in the search results. It's usually right at the top, so you can't miss it. Give it a click to head straight to the source. On the homepage, you'll see a big button that says Sign Up or Try ChatGPT. Click that to get started. It's your ticket in. Now just create an account. All you need is an email and a password, or you can use your Google or Apple account for an even faster sign-up. It's safe, quick, and totally free. Next, check your email inbox for a verification message from OpenAI. It should arrive in just a few seconds, no waiting around. Click the link in the email to confirm your account. That's it. You're officially in and ready to explore. Congratulations, you now have your VIP pass to the AI Club, where you can chat, create, and discover new things every day. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clean, simple screen that's easy to navigate, even if you're brand new to this. There's a big open space for your conversation, and a little box at the bottom where you can type your questions or ideas. That's where the magic happens, your direct line to ChatGPT. Just type anything you want to ask or talk about and hit enter. You're all set for your very first conversation. Don't be shy, ChatGPT is here to help, entertain, and inspire you. Give yourself a round of applause. You've just taken the first step into the world of AI, and the adventure is just beginning. You're in! The screen's waiting. What do you type? Just say, hello. ChatGPT will greet you back. Try asking for a fun fact, a joke, or dinner ideas with what's in your fridge. See how helpful it is right away. Get creative. Ask for a short poem about pizza or a birthday message for a friend. There are no dumb questions. Ask anything. Want to know why we yawn or how a microwave works? Go for it. Try translating "I love your show" into Spanish. The more you play, the more you'll see what ChatGPT can do. Sometimes ChatGPT's answers aren't perfect. Be clear and specific. Details help. Give it a roll. Act like a pirate and tell me about the ocean, or explain gravity like I'm 5. Ask follow-up questions. It remembers the conversation. Didn't like the answer? Rephrase or ask for a different style. The more you interact, the better it gets. You and ChatGPT are a team. Now the fun really begins. It's time to explore and let your curiosity run wild. With ChatGPT, you can dive into a world of possibilities right from your own home. Whether you're looking to learn something new, get creative, or just have a good laugh, there's so much you can do. Use ChatGPT to supercharge your hobbies, get expert gardening tips, write your own TV fan fiction, or plan your next big adventure with detailed itineraries and travel advice. You can even ask it to create a theme song for your pet or come up with fun games to play together. The possibilities are endless and only limited by your imagination. Mix things up, be practical 1 minute and totally silly the next. ChatGPT is perfect for brainstorming new ideas, learning fresh skills, or just having a bit of fun with friends and family. Challenge it, ask weird or unexpected questions, and see what creative answers you get. Treat ChatGPT like your creative partner. It's always ready to help you think outside the box, collaborate on projects, or just bounce ideas around. To wrap up, remember that ChatGPT is your smart AI friend. Easy to use, approachable, and always available to lend a hand or spark inspiration. It's ready to help with almost anything you can think of, from answering questions to offering guidance, or just making your day a little brighter. Be clear with your questions, ask follow-ups, and don't be afraid to experiment. The more you interact, the more you'll discover what it can do. ChatGPT is here to make your life easier, more productive, and a lot more fun. It's like having a helpful assistant and a creative buddy rolled into one. So go ahead, give it a try, jump in, explore, and see what amazing things you can create or discover. You'll have a blast, and you might even surprise yourself with what you can do. That's